Huawei Mate 70 series to feature iPhone's AirDrop-like gesture. Huawei is set to release the Mate 70 series at the much-anticipated Mate brand ceremony on 26 November. However, ahead of the launch, the tech giant has shared a video clip revealing a new AI feature which will make media sharing easier. Taking to Weibo, the company shared a video clip starring Huawei consumer business CEO Richard Yu. The video teases the highly sought Harmony OS Next features, including the air transmission and gesture control technologies. The new air transmission feature allows transferring content between devices. Users can grab content from one device, such as a phone, and release it onto another device, for example, a tablet, through air gestures, bridging the gap between devices. As described in the video, the feature looks similar to the iPhone's AirDrop capability, which enables users to send and receive pictures, videos, or documents with nearby Apple devices. The devices that support Huawei's air transmission feature are Huawei Mate 70 series, Huawei Mate X6 Foldable, and Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 2025 tablet. It should be noted, the feature utilizes Huawei over-the-air support upgrade, meaning Huawei could further release this AI gesture for other devices.